Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we'll learn about the real-time payment system components. Alright, let's start with it. So in real-time payment system of any of the country, for the matter of fact, there will be the central component which will be under the central bank. Remember that all the local countries, all the local banks of the respective countries will have a master account held at the central bank. For example, if it is in India, then it is held at the Reserve Bank of India. Likewise, if it is for USA, it will be held at the Federal Reserve. And then this will be the RTP, which is the central component. This is the medium via which all the payments gets processed, gets rejected, or all the interaction happens. So it is indeed integrated. The central bank and the real-time payment system, and together it can be called as the clearing and settlement mechanism. All right, now the real-time payment system, in order for a financial institution or any of the entities, financial service provider who can be a participant, there is a clause, there is a onboarding formalities that needs to undergo necessary testing would be done, and then only they will be onboarded to the real-time payment system. So let's say there is a bank A and there is a bank B. So these two are the participant banks which has been onboarded to the respective real-time payment system of the respective country. Right. Now the bank can themselves transfer the funds via the real-time payment system or via the correspondent banks. Now most of the use cases is related to the customer transfer payments, whether it can be retail or the corporate. All right, which can be initiated via the different medium, via mobile, via web, or via other medium as well, which is indeed connected for your real-time payment system. Necessary fulfillment from the respective banks should be done in order for it to be routed via the real-time payment system as well. Now there are plenty of use cases which needs to be covered to understand the real-time payment system as whole. It is not only the customer initiating transaction and the beneficiary getting credited. There are plenty of the business functionality which needs to be understood. For an example, the administrative related message, admin system related messages, which needs to be understood. What happens when some of the financial entity which is a participant into the respective real-time payment system gets disconnected or is inactive? How do the other participant banks get to know that? All right, and then let's suppose there are some connectivity issues or there is some downtime in the respective financial institution. How do the other banks know? We know that it is a real-time payment system. It needs to be settled within some 15 to 20 seconds, depends upon country to country real-time payment system. So this is about the system messages, and similarly we have messages related to the transfer payments. Now into the customer credit transfer payments messages or the flows. Within that also we have some happy flows, we have some exceptional flows. Even into exceptional flows, we have multiple use cases related to 15 to 20 second payment happy flow, and then reject flow, return flow, and then the statuses with the different status codes depending upon the beneficiary bank processing the payment. So in order to understand the real-time payment system as a whole, we have developed a course, or we have a trainer who will indeed help you to train you understand each and every functionality into the real-time payment system. We have self-paced as well as the online classes which will help you to groom understand the business functionality. And remember, there are plenty of opportunities into the real-time payment system across the world. as real time is indeed a need for our. All right. Thank you all for joining this video or watching this video. Do like and subscribe this our channel, which will indeed help you itself, because we frequently upload videos which are more relevant for you and more meaningful for you as well. And you know that where to email us, to our respective email ID, that is swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com, in order to inquire about our courses. Alright guys, I'll see you next time then.